Hi, I'm Todd with Esoteric, talking today about brushes, interior and exterior. We have some stuff here from Detail Factory, but I want to change this up a little bit, give more people within the company the opportunity to visit with you and talk about some of the products. We have got Jude from our detail team that we want to bring in. He's going to talk about it and he's going to do the demo. So Jude, come on in. Jude, the world, Jude, I'm handing it off to good hands.
Thanks, Todd.
Have fun. Thank you.
All right, like Todd said, my name is Jude, detail lead here at Esoteric. Today, we're talking about new brushes from Detail Factory. We have 4 brushes on selection here, 2 interior, 2 exterior. Starting off with the interior brushes, these are mainly used for pet hair. So depending on how much pet hair is in the car or your personal preference on a pet hair brush, we have 2 selections here. This one is more of a traditional pet hair style brush. It has the bristles. The cool thing about this one, which you don't see on a lot of other pet hair brushes, is this one has a pointed edge. This one allows you to get into all the deep corners, cracks and crevices while removing pet hair. The other one that we have here is the classic card style pet hair brush. This one has a rounded edge and a pointed edge. These are the 2 main pet hair brushes that we use here at Esoteric, and fantastic products. Moving on to the exterior brushes, we have our tire brush. This is used mainly for cleaning tires, harder bristle, but it's not going to hurt the face of the rim or the finish on the tire. Fantastic product. Finally, we have the fender well brush. This is a little bit longer brush. This is used specifically for cleaning inside of the fenders if you have SUV or a vehicle that has enough clearance to get up underneath and into the fender liner. This is a fantastic product to use. Now we're going to move on to demoing the interior brushes and exterior brushes.
Esoteric has a smorgasbord of brushes which can be found at esotericcarcare.com, link in the description below. Now that we're inside the car, we're going to talk about these 2 right here, the brush and the card. These are used very similarly, but depending on your preference or the style of carpet, you might use one or the other. In the instance of this Tesla, both of these will work great. We'll start off with the brush. Again, this one has this pointed edge here, which allows you to get into corners, cracks, and crevices while we're using the product. So just go into the carpet, brushing it out nice and easy. You can see it's grabbing debris as well that's in the carpet. So it's not just for pet hair. You can use it to loosen up debris, make vacuuming a lot easier. With the car, the usage is exactly the same. I'm very, very lightly running the card against the carpet. Now you might pull up a small bit of fibers, but it's not hurting your carpet or upholstery. Usage is pretty straightforward. Now that we've covered these brushes, we can go outside and talk about the exterior brushes from Detail Factory. Now that we're outside in the gray and cold Ohio weather, we can talk about the new exterior brushes from Detail Factory. We'll start off with our tire brush. Now, I've already pre-sprayed my wheel and tire and wheel well with our wheel cleaner and our all-purpose cleaner for the wheel well. Very easy to use, very safe to use if you hit the face of the rim. Obviously, you want your brush to be wet. Taking the brush, thoroughly wiping the exterior of the rim. And again, these bristles are strong enough to cut through all of the dirt on the face of the tire, but it's not going to damage the lip of your rim if you have aftermarket rims or nice rims like on this car here. Moving on to the wheel well brush. Same thing, you want to make sure this is wet, make sure the wheel well is wet, and your cleaner of choice is sprayed onto the wheel well. Now I'll very carefully fit it up into the wheel well and just start lightly brushing. Once that's complete, I can go ahead and spray off my wheel, tire, and wheel well for a great clean thanks to the help of these brushes from Detail Factory. So there you have it. We've covered interior and exterior brushes. If you guys have any feedback or things you've learned from using these products, please leave a comment below. Todd reads every one of them. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.